Hi, I'm Sadhna. I'm new here.
Hi Sadhana, I'm Samuel. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Samuel.
Where are you from, Sadhana?
I'm from India. I moved here recently.
How long have you been here?
Just 2 months. Still adjusting, you know?
That's cool. How do you like it?
It's different, but I like it so far.
Why did you move here, Sadhana?
My father got a job here in America.
What does your father do?
He's an engineer, works in a tech company.
That's awesome. What about your mom?
She's a homemaker, takes care of us.
Do you have any siblings, Sadhana?
Yes, I have a younger brother. He's 16.
Does he go to school here too?
Yes, he does. He's in high school.
How's he adjusting to the new place?
He's doing fine. He likes it here.
What are you studying here?
I'm studying computer science. What about you?
I'm studying business administration. It's interesting.
Do you like your courses, Samuel?
Yes, I do. They're challenging but fun.
Do you have any hobbies, Samuel?
I like playing basketball. How about you?
I enjoy reading and painting in my free time.
That's nice. What do you like to read?
Mostly fiction. I love fantasy novels.
Have you read any American authors?
Yes, a few. J.K. Rowling is my favorite.
She's great. Do you miss India?
Yes, sometimes. I miss my friends and food.
What's your favorite Indian dish?
I love biryani. It's delicious.
I've heard about it. Is it spicy?
Yes, it can be. Depends on the recipe.
Do you cook Indian food at home?
Yes, sometimes. My mom cooks most of the time.
I'd love to try it someday.
Sure, I can bring some for you.
That would be amazing. Thank you.
You're welcome. How about your family?
I live with my parents and 2 sisters.
What do your parents do?
My dad's a lawyer and mom's a teacher.
That's interesting. What do your sisters do?
One is in college, the other in high school.
Do they go to the same college?
No, different colleges. Different fields of study.
Do you see them often?
Yes, we meet on weekends mostly.
That's nice. Do you help them with studies?
Sometimes, especially with math and business.
That's great. I could use some help too.
Sure, anytime you need. Just let me know.
Thanks, Samuel. That's very kind of you.
No problem. What's your daily routine like?
I wake up early, go for a jog.
That's healthy. What do you do after that?
I have breakfast, then head to classes.
How are your classes so far?
They're good, but I find some difficult.
Which ones are challenging for you?
Programming and algorithms are tough for me.
I can help you with those if you want.
That would be great, Samuel. Thank you.
Anytime. What do you do after classes?
I usually study or hang out with family.
Do you go out often?
Not much, just to explore new places.
Have you visited any interesting places here?
Yes, I went to the beach last weekend.
Nice. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, it was beautiful. I loved the ocean.
The beaches here are amazing. Any plans for next weekend?
Not yet. Maybe I'll explore downtown.
Downtown is fun. Lots of things to see.
Any recommendations on places to visit?
The art museum is great, and so is the park.
I'll check them out. Thanks for the suggestions.
You're welcome. Do you drive here?
No, I don't have a car yet.
I can give you a ride if needed.
That's very kind of you. Thanks, Samuel.
Anytime. How's your American accent coming along?
It's tough. I need lots of practice.
I can help you with that too.
Really? That would be wonderful, Samuel.
Sure, let's start with some basics.
Okay, what should I say first?
Try saying, "How are you doing?"
How are you doing?
That's good. Try to stress the "are" more.
How are you doing?
Better. Keep practicing like that.
Thanks, Samuel. This is really helpful.
Glad to help. Want to try another phrase?
Yes, please. What should I say next?
Say, "I'm going to the store."
I'm going to the store.
Great. Just a bit more emphasis on going.
I'm going to the store.
Perfect. You're getting the hang of it.
Thanks. I'll keep practicing every day.
Good idea. Consistency is key.
How long did it take you to master it?
Well, I grew up here, so it was natural.
That makes sense. It's all new to me.
You're doing great for a beginner.
Thanks. I'll work hard on it.
Do you watch American TV shows?
Yes, I do. It helps with the accent.
Which shows do you watch?
I like Friends and The Big Bang Theory.
Those are good choices. Funny and engaging.
Yes, and they speak clearly, which helps.
Definitely. Watching TV is a good method.
Do you watch any Indian movies?
I've seen a few Bollywood films. They're great.
Which ones have you watched?
Three Idiots and Dangal. Really enjoyed them.
Those are classics. Glad you liked them.
Do you miss Bollywood movies here?
Yes, but we stream them online.
That's convenient. Technology is amazing.
It is. Makes staying connected easier.
Do you use social media a lot?
Yes, to keep in touch with friends in India.
Which platforms do you use?
Mainly WhatsApp and Instagram. How about you?
I use Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.
Do you post often?
Occasionally. Mostly pictures and updates.
That's nice. I love sharing photos too.
Do you have any travel plans?
Not yet. Waiting for a break from studies.
Any places you want to visit?
Yes, I'd love to visit New York City.
NYC is amazing. You'll love it there.
Have you been there?
Yes, a few times. It's always exciting.
Any tips for first-time visitors?
Yes, wear comfortable shoes. Lots of walking.
Good advice. I'll keep that in mind.
What's your favorite place in India?
I love Jaipur. The forts are beautiful.
I've heard it's a colorful city.
Yes, very vibrant and full of history.
I'd love to visit India someday.
You should. It's a beautiful country.
I'll definitely plan a trip. Thanks, Sadhana.
You're welcome, Samuel. Happy to help.
Do you like American food?
Yes, some of it. Still getting used to it.
What's your favorite so far?
I like burgers and fries. Simple and tasty.
Classic choice. Have you tried pizza?
Yes, I love pizza. It's delicious.
What toppings do you like?
I like veggies and extra cheese.
Good choice. Pizza is always a favorite.
Yes, it's easy and everyone loves it.
Do you miss Indian food?
Yes, especially street food. It's the best.
I'd love to try it sometime.
You should. It's flavorful and diverse.
Do you find American food bland?
Some of it, but I'm getting used to it.
Any food recommendations for me?
Try pani puri. It's a popular street snack.
Sounds interesting. I'll look for it.
You'll love it. It's spicy and tangy.
I can't wait to try it. Thanks.
You're welcome. What's your favorite food?
I love barbecue. It's a family tradition.
That sounds delicious. I should try it.
Definitely. We should have a barbecue sometime.
I'd love that. Thanks for the invite.
Anytime, Sadhana. It'll be fun.
Do you like desserts?
Yes, especially ice cream and brownies.
I love ice cream too. Favorite flavor?
Chocolate. What about you?
I like mango flavor. It's refreshing.
Mango is good. Have you tried other flavors?
Yes, but mango is still my favorite.
We should go for ice cream sometime.
That sounds great. I'd love to.
Perfect. It'll be a fun outing.
Yes, looking forward to it.
Me too. Do you like coffee?
Yes, I drink it every morning.
Same here. Coffee is essential.
What's your favorite coffee?
I like cappuccino. How about you?
I prefer latte. It's milder.
Lattes are good too. We should grab coffee.
Sure, let's do that. It'll be fun.
Great. How about tomorrow morning?
Sounds good. See you then.
See you, Sadhana. Have a great day.
You too, Samuel. Bye.
Bye.